Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. Guys, back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, I've read the title of this video. So this video is about how to speed up your Galaxy S10. So basically this video is not only for Galaxy S10, it's for any smartphone which you think has good specs but recently has started to get slow. It's feeling a bit laggy or it's taking too much time, like closing or opening the apps. The problem which I was really going through was, I know my S10 is fast because it has 6 gigs of RAM and specs which are plenty for 2020, but recently I just had to wait for a couple of seconds before opening and closing the apps. And I think that was the most devastating was the Instagram would get stuck, the Chrome would get stuck, it will just get stuck and it would take a lot of time to get it back into the smartphone or just to go just to navigate itself back in the smartphone. So after doing some research, I found a couple of solutions, and the one that worked for me is the one I'm going to be showing you today. So this solution is known as resetting your smartphone. Now I'm not talking about factory data reset, which I know is much better, but still it's a big deal because you have to back all of your personal information, your pictures, videos, and so much more. But rather this reset is only going to be just for the settings of the smartphone. So the thing you need to do is you need to go to the settings of your smartphone. You need to go down and there is going to be an option for general management. You need to click on it. After that you are going to see reset in here. In Samsung smartphones it's like this, but if you have any other smartphone you can just find reset and these all settings should come right there. And there are like 4 different reset. The one you want to try is the first one, reset settings. When you are going to click on it, it will display some information, the things it's going to do. Just read it and make sure everything is safe, which is written right here. You have a backup of all of this stuff, and after that you just click reset settings. You need to put your password and that's about it. Now I'm not going to be doing this again because I just did it some time ago and I don't really want to reset my smartphone again. But after that, hopefully your smartphone is going to feel much snappy, much better. And if you could really do a factory data reset, that will improve your smartphone so much more because it's going to erase all of the data, and of course then your smartphone is going to feel so much quick. The reason is over time these apps which are very heavy, they can start to build a lot of cache data, which in fact can make your smartphone slow because your smartphone has to deal with the cache data, which does make your smartphone slow, especially when you are like switching between apps. So guys, with that being said, I think that pretty much wraps this video up. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching and goodbye.